Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Play City, edit and Light Motion apps. So open the Light Motion apps and tap on your project and tap on add icon in the bottom right corner. Select media and select video you like to edit and simple. So tap on the clip and you can split the clip before into some part. Tap on split icon here. So I'm going to just pour the power part here and just going to tap on part 1, select speed icon in the left and adjust for the speed to 0.5 and just going to second one, select speed icon again just for the normal speed and just for the third one select speed icon and go to faster, attempt to find 0. You can just for the position for the last one, and I'm going to adjust for the normal speed for the last one. So here we go. I'm just going to disable for the zone because it is copyrighted. Here you go. Yeah, it's so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for